welcome to a new tutorial again. This is Yasin, and today we will see a very good, in my opinion, a good extension or application using AI that helps people to solve their quizzes or helping students to, let's say, solve their exercises or review their exams. So as you know, Quiz Solver is an extension that is available in Chrome Web Store and also on Edge for Microsoft. Okay, and this extension can be downloadable from and you can install it from the web Chrome store. So today we will see a new drop or a new product of Quiz Solver, which is their extension but in GitHub. We will see together how to install it and for which case it will be useful to install it through GitHub and not from web store. So of course, if on some societies or some companies and on also some Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, or maybe on some schools or university, the administrations can block, let's say, AI websites like ChatGPT or Claude AI or maybe Gemini, and also they can block the installation of applications on the computer or maybe on the browser. So this is exactly why founders of Quiz Solver decided to make the project public to everyone, so that it will build a community, and also it will help people to use the extension even if it's not reachable through the web store. Okay, so stay tuned and I will show you how to do it. Channel, they dropped the project on GitHub, as you can see here. I will put the link on the description. So very easy. So actually this extension will be we can install it manually on the Chrome, um, on the navigate on the browser, and in order to do it, it will be easy to install it. So as you see, for example, for my example, I can't go on ChatGPT in order to, for example, solve my quizzes or exercises. Neither on Claude AI, I can reach it, and also I can't even get the web store, the web store, the web store Chrome. So as you can see here, I can't reach it. So I can't install normally uh, uh, the extension. So this is why they decided to make the project public on GitHub. So to install, very easy. You have the steps here, but you can also watch my video and we can do it together if you have any difficulties to follow the steps. So as they say, first of all, you need to download the project. Then you can install it here manually if you go to Chrome extensions. And then you need to activate developer mode. And then you load the project and that's it. And voila. So let's do it. So we click here on code and then we download the zip. Okay. So we open the zip as soon as it's downloaded. Then we extract it maybe on desktop. Yes. Okay. Then third step, we go here on managed extension. Then we make sure that the developer mode is activated. Click here. Okay. As soon as we click here, we have the load and packed button, it appears, that we click on it, and then we select the project. We select the project that we installed it, that we downloaded, sorry, and then we select the folder, and that's it. So as soon as you install the extension, make sure that you are sign in. So if not, click on login here. You can connect with your Google if you want, or GitHub or email. Then let's go and look for a quiz website just to test. For example, this one. Okay, so let's click on start, and then let's try to answer this quiz. Okay, QuickSnap. I select the question, and then I will wait for the answer. Okay. They said the quote, "Ask what your country can do." Your ask country is attributed to John Kennedy. Answer is true, so it's John Kennedy. So let me try it. See that the answer is correct. Next. So let me try this one. Okay, so they said the quote, "We didn't land on Plymouth Rock. The rock was landed," is attributed to Malcolm X. Okay, so if we select Malcolm X, the answer is true. Next. We can also try to to do the smart highlight by clicking here, ask quiz solver, and then I will wait. So the answer is Muhammad Ali. So we select Muhammad Ali, it's the correct answer. Okay, same again, we select and then ask quiz solver, and you can see that is working correctly. Albert Einstein, it is the correct answer. Well, this is the I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments if you want more of this kind of content. Uh, Showing some new apps using AI for productivity. Thanks again for your attention, and see you on the next video. Bye.